Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're talking about how to get started on YouTube. In a lot of my other videos, I talk about pursuing your passions, especially, not just on the side, but also for your career path and everything. Because when you can build a career, especially based around your passions, then you're gonna have a happy, fulfilling life because you're gonna be doing the things you love every single day and making money by doing those things. And it's not gonna feel like work. It's gonna be your passion. Like I said, it's going to be enjoyable. So YouTube is a great way to do that. It's a great way to pursue your passions, share your passions with the world, because you can make YouTube videos about literally anything, which means you can make YouTube videos about your passions. And not everybody is super passionate about making videos and video editing and all that stuff, but it is very, very easy to make YouTube videos. I started YouTube a couple years ago. I've been doing this channel consistently every single day for over 5 months at this point. And this is, it took me a while to figure out the best practices and, the best things to get started and stay consistent on YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you what's helped me throughout my YouTube career so far. And like I said, number one thing is having that passion. Number one thing is by creating videos about what you're passionate about, whether it's any kind of sport, whether it's talking about a certain topic, whether it's something funny, whether it's pranks, whether it's traveling, no matter what it is, you can create videos based around your passions. And like I said, it is very, very, very easy to get started and very easy to, make that first step and, start making progress on your YouTube channel. And I'll tell you, like I said, I started a couple of years ago, and the only thing I had when I started was I just used my smartphone. That's it. I didn't have any camera equipment. I didn't have any microphones. Like I have better equipment now because I'm more invested, and I've made, I put a lot more in already time-wise, and I've made the investment to upgrade my equipment a little bit. But when I started, for a long, long time, all I had was just my smartphone. I had like iPhone 7 Plus was the thing I had. And you don't need a super new one, that one's a few years old at this point, but you just have to have any kind of smartphone with a decent camera. Really, that's all it is. All I did was just put my phone, I remember putting it like on my computer stand or something like that, or just on my desk, and I would literally just sit there with in front of my window so to get a lot of natural light, and I would just record YouTube videos every day. Just set up a cool background. I have this tapestry thing that I got for like probably like 10 bucks on Amazon. This has been the background to all my videos, most of my videos at least. But you don't necessarily need all this stuff. But my point is, it's very easy to find a nice little setting in your house or anywhere to record a video if you want to talk like this, or no matter, like I said, you can make all kinds of videos. But just grab your smartphone if you want to get started out and record a video. It's gonna feel weird recording yourself. Definitely at first, it's gonna feel weird making a video. It felt weird for me for a really long time, until I started to feel more comfortable in front of the camera. But yeah, you just gotta get out there and do it and just make that first video. If you're thinking about it if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or if you've, even if you've just started, or if you are just in those early stages, just getting out there and making that first step is all you got to do. Stop thinking about it. Not just with YouTube, but with any projects you want to start, anything you want to work towards in life. Stop putting things off. Just sit down and free up some time and just sit down and do it. That's it. Just start out and do it. And you're gonna have a lot of fun doing that. It's always fun to try new things and try new experiences. So like I said, just create that first video with your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, just speaking from experience, and this will work with Android or whatever, with just different apps and things like that. But with an iPhone, if you shoot a video, just shoot it on your phone, and then just go to iMovie if you don't have that. It's a free app on the iPhone, and it's literally just super, super easy and really powerful video editing tool that you can edit your videos on if you want to edit them. And you don't necessarily have to edit them, but if you want them to look clean and decent, and just at least do some basic editing, like the intro, like the beginning and the ending and things like that. I do really minimal editing on my videos, honestly. All I do is I record a video and I just trim the beginning and end, like I said, to make it fit perfectly, and I throw in some background music and my little ending picture, and that's really all I do to edit my videos. Some videos might require a little bit more editing, like vlogs and things like that as well, but editing videos is really easy. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create a little tutorial or something like for iMovie or something like that, because I could definitely show you guys how easy it is. All you do is you just open the app up and you import the video footage you did, any background music you want to do, whatever, anything like that. You can get more complex as you go, but just make that first step of creating that video, whatever it is that you're passionate about. If you want to do a video where you're talking like I do, or if you want to do a video, like I said, where you're out doing something like hiking, exploring, doing sports, anything, literally any kind of passion you have, just make a video about it if you really want to get started on YouTube. And like I said, YouTube isn't for everybody out there. It's not for everyone in the whole world, but for a lot of people out there, YouTube is a great tool and a great opportunity, which could definitely help them to live the best possible lives they possibly can by pursuing their passions, pursuing the things they love, and getting paid for it eventually. And there's a lot of different ways to get paid on YouTube, not just from ad revenue, and that's like an entire another video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions for any other YouTube videos you want to hear about, like making money, like anything that's on your mind about YouTube. I'd love to hear about that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, it's all about just getting out there and just going out and doing it. All you need is your smartphone, pursue your passions, and the last piece of advice that I can give you is to just be consistent with it. Develop the process, your YouTube process, to where it's easy to do every day. It's not too much work. Like I used to edit videos every single day, like crazy edit my videos, and that took so long every video, so I had to change my process. So develop your process to where it works for you, to where you're able to be consistent. Don't like overload yourself with work. Like I said, if you only want to upload once a week, then do it once a week. If you want to do it daily, then you can really handle that and then do it daily. But like I said, don't overwhelm yourself with whatever it is you're doing. Don't limit yourself too much in your creativity. Don't limit yourself too much in your specific videos as well. Create diverse content, anything you're passionate about. Like pursue all your passions, make videos about all your passions. That's definitely what I'm trying to do with my channel. Not just specific videos, but all kinds of videos. So that's really all the best advice I can give you guys. Don't limit yourself. Be as creative as you can. Be as open as you can. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to be criticized. Just be consistent, enjoy yourself, pursue your passions, and just get out there and just go enjoy it and have fun and make those videos. And that's the best advice I can give you guys on how to get started on YouTube. Let me know, like I said, any other questions you guys have in the comments. Don't forget to check out the description. Reach out to me on Instagram with any other questions or comments you guys have. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.